to Cooking with Kids. I'm Sean and this is Mr. Kara. Kara, say hi.
Hi.
And we are cooking chicken thighs.
Good job.
Kara!
See, now we're
I'm going to mix the chicken with salt and pepper.
and olive oil.
And olive oil. Kara, please stop it.
Okay, good job. Here's some oil.
I'm pouring the oil in.
Okay, mix that up
We're going to mix it up.
with your gloved hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Gloved
gonna hold the
hands.
bowl.
I want 2 gloves.
Yeah, this one's barely hanging on there, girlfriend. Good job. Get in there, Sean. Hi. You're doing so good. Good job, Sean. Yep, mix all that
Why
chicken
is
up in
this-
there. Good. Spread all that oil around.
I have.
Don't be touching everything with your glove, okay?
I have
Good job.
gloves.
Okay, Kara, can you sprinkle in the salt and pepper for Sean?
Kara sprinkling in the salt and pepper.
Pour that in there. Very good.
Here.
Good job. Okay, Kara, want to start mixing? Keep your hands together, Sean. Don't touch the counter. Yeah, just use your one glove. Stick your hand in there. Mix, mix, mix.
My mom and my sister are mixing the salt and pepper together with the olive oil and the chicken.
That's right. Good job.
Look at big it is.
Look how big it is. No, Kara. Sean,
Sorry about
look.
that.
Look. Pick it up. Put it in the bowl. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Okay, keep the chicken in the bowl.
She likes
Okay,
some
help.
other stuff.
There you go. Okay, Sean, help your sister out.
Thank
Spread
you.
all that salt and pepper around.
Oh, wait for Sean.
Good job.
I'm helping them out. Going to spread out the cookie,
The chicken.
the chicken on the cookie sheet. Here,
So
there's the
you need to
cookie
look. You need to mix up all that salt and pepper better, okay? So you don't want some pieces more salty or peppery than others.
sheet. We're making this for my daddy. Whack.
I want Sean.
Good job, Bunny.
That was it.
Yep. And then evenly. Okay, can you get some of this? There you go. Just like that.
Hello. And now we're going to cook some rice.
With 1 cup of rice.
Good job.
Turn it on.
Put the rinsed rice into the Instapot. Add 1.5 cups of water.
Good job. Now, look at what you're doing. Dump it all out. Look at what you're doing. Dump it out.
I did.
Okay, go ahead and put that in the sink.
This is gonna be tricky.
Make sure you look at what you're doing. There you go. Good job. Okay, just do it enough to coat the rice. Now close the lid.
Ask your parent for help.
And then say cook on high
Cook on high.
for 1 minute.
There we go. And what's this?
It's time to live. Zucchini.
Very good.
Try this.
Yes. Good job.
Ask a parent to cut the zucchini. Make sure to be careful with knives to not cut yourself.
That's very good, Sean. That's a very good tip.
That was just a tip. Ask a parent to add the oil to the pan. It's been 25 minutes. Time to check the chicken.
So good. Okay, grab a thermometer. The chicken is
The
done.
chicken is done when it's at
165 degrees
degrees
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Good job.
Ask a parent to open the oven.
Chicken is.
Back up on the hot stove, please.
The chicken is done.
Good job. Okay, so back up from the pan. Good job. You guys are doing excellent.
Are you almost done?
Kinda. Not really. Hey, honey.
Mommy, can we go fire station?
Yes.
And our and house.
Yes. No. And, Aunt Wanda.
And this house to see Right to see your dog, Mama. Right to see your doggy, Mommy again. Now we're going to add teriyaki to chicken.
Talk about your fire suit.
I'm wearing my fire suit
Why are you wearing your fire suit?
because this chicken's hot still. It's time to check the rice as prepare for help. I do not like the flexibility on here now.
Alright.
Oh, rice is done.
Yay!
Yay. It's time to eat yum. Thanks for joining me today.
So see you next time.
See you next time.